medyo di ko nami-miss sa labas-labas na yan. Yung sa pag pumunta ka ng Comshop, tapos may amoy. Alam mo yun? Amoy Comshop. Di ba nanggagaling sa earphones yun? Kasi marami tao gumagamit. Parang ayoko yata magiganan yung earphones ko. Since may oras naman tayo, why don't I take the precautionary measures para hindi mangamoy yung earphones natin? Hey everyone, it's Mangobellls, the Triple L's, back again with another vlog, this time about cleaning. Today we'll be going over how you can possibly clean your own headset while I go and like sanitize my own. So, for starters, very quickly, you'll see that syempre you have to have your earphones there, and then a basin na lalagyan natin ng tubig, and then some detergent lang or dishwashing soap. So it should be easy enough to just remove, dip into water, wash, make babad, and then kuskus a little bit, and then you just leave it there for a while. And then pagtapos na yan, you squeeze it all out, and then make banlaw in a different set of water. And then when all the soap and suds are gone na, sampay mo lang. Wait for it to dry. So once everything's tuyo na ng bongga-bongga, the next challenge is actually in reattaching the things. It looks like there's a thing. Look, oh. There's a thing where you can like hook. But yeah, there's a sleeve. If you have the same model as me, there's a sleeve that should make it easier to put the cups back on, and I'll eventually get there. Oh look! I think it's on. Hey, it's on. All right, look at that. Good as new. Clean your cups, right as new. That's it. That's all you gotta do. And that's it. All right, our headphones are clean, sanitized, and dry, and it's going to be puffy on my ears by the time that we use it again in the next stream. And I hope that watching this video helped you guys get an idea about what to do next during our staycation, extended staycation. So while you're at it, guys, make sure you check out Aningning and ZENPro TV on their videos so you can have an idea about how to clean the rest of your gear. They also have videos and tips on how to do it and what more stuff you can do during this lockdown period that I'm sure you guys will enjoy then. So until next time, guys, thank you for watching this video. This has been Mangobellls of TaskUs Esports Stream Team and the Nexplay Network.